Have you ever stopped to think about why this person came into your life? The moment your eyes met, something shifted inside you. It was as if an invisible thread wove a connection that transcends time and space. That smile, that gesture. There was a mystery there, an unspoken promise. Angels often manifest in moments like this. Through synchronicities, whispers in your heart, and even vivid dreams. They send us signs, small reminders that we are not alone. Look around you. Perhaps you've seen repeated numbers or felt an inexplicable urge to get closer to this person. These are the echoes of angelic presence, guiding you towards something greater. They want you to pay attention, to feel, to connect. But amidst this magic, shadows emerge. Fears that paralyze us. What if it's not the right time? What if I'm just dreaming? What if this person doesn't feel the same? These thoughts swirl in your mind like a storm on a calm sea. You find yourself trapped between the desire to move forward and the fear of getting hurt. It's an internal battle where doubt becomes a heavy burden to carry. What if I told you that what you see as an obstacle may actually be the key to your liberation? The angels aren't just showing you that this person is special. They are revealing to you that this is your opportunity for transformation. True love knows no boundaries. It defies logic and the limitations we impose on ourselves. This connection, this chance to love, may be exactly what you need to break free from the chains of fear and insecurity. Now, ask yourself, are you ready to embrace this opportunity? Love doesn't wait. It flourishes in the present, in the now. The big question is, will you take action now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? The moment to decide is now. Let the light of the angels illuminate your path and open your heart. The universe is listening, and it's ready to respond. Have you ever stopped to notice the little synchronicities that permeate your daily life? Those strange coincidences that seem more than mere chance? Like a familiar scent that floats in the air and brings back long-forgotten memories, or a song that plays just when you need to hear it, as if the universe were whispering directly to your heart. These signs are the subtle voices of the angels, guiding you at every step of the way. They manifest in unexpected forms, a butterfly landing on your shoulder, a repeated number appearing on your screen, or even a vivid dream that leaves you with a sense of urgency. Each of these moments is a message, an opportunity for you to align your choices with your true essence. When you pay attention, you realize that you are not alone. The angels are around you, waiting for you to listen. However, amid this divine dance of signs, it's common to feel lost. You might be facing deep doubts, questioning if you're on the right path. Fears accumulate, blocks form like dark clouds, obscuring your vision. What is going on in your heart? You fear rejection, failure, the unknown. What if this is all just a dream, an illusion? Insecurity can be paralyzing, and you find yourself trapped in a cycle of uncertainty, hesitating to take action. What if I told you that the answer is closer than you think? And what if the signs you ignore, the messages you dismiss, are actually the key to your transformation? The angels are not just trying to communicate, they are offering you a chance for renewal. You are not merely a spectator on this journey, you are the protagonist. Perhaps it's time to look at these messages with fresh eyes. The truth is that often, the change we desire is just a step away from having the courage to act. Now is the decisive moment. Are you ready to listen and embrace the wisdom being offered? The universe is inviting you to take a leap of faith. The question that arises is, will you allow fear to keep you trapped, or will you break free and follow the call of your heart? Love and transformation do not wait for anyone. The time is now. Awaken to the beauty that surrounds you and allow the signs from the angels to guide you. The choice is yours. What will you do with it? Have you ever paused to think about what truly holds you back from moving forward? Amidst so many possibilities, there is an invisible barrier, a weight that seems to accumulate on your shoulders. When you look within yourself, what do you see? Insecurities that whisper you're not enough? Fears that turn opportunities into uncertainties? Picture this. You are in a brightly lit room, surrounded by people who love you, but instead of feeling joy, you feel like an intruder. As if every smile is a reminder of what you believe you do not deserve. Spiritual signs are always present, like a soft breeze that brushes against your skin in moments of doubt. Angels try to communicate through synchronicities, recurring numbers in your life, or even that inner voice that insists on guiding you. Each sign is an invitation for you to look within and ask yourself, why am I holding back? They reveal that the truth has always been there, waiting to be uncovered beneath the layers of insecurity you've built over time. But what happens when those insecurities become insurmountable walls? The fear of failing, of not being loved, of not having what it takes to shine, turns into a deafening echo. You find yourself paralyzed, trapped in a cycle of self-criticism and doubt. Meanwhile, life goes on. What could have been a journey filled with experiences transforms into an agonizing weight. You ask yourself, what if I can't do it? This question becomes a weight that, instead of motivating you, drags you down. What if, instead of allowing these doubts to consume you, you could see everything from a new perspective? What if the angels were telling you that these insecurities are merely illusions? The truth is that you are stronger than you think. Each scar, each failure, each moment of vulnerability is a step on your journey. They do not define who you are. On the contrary, they are testaments to your courage. You have within you the capacity to free yourself from these invisible chains. Transformation begins when you decide to view your insecurities not as barriers, but as stepping stones. Now, I invite you to take a moment. Look inside yourself and ask, what fears are holding me back? Allow yourself to feel. Then, challenge yourself. What would happen if you decided to take a step, even if it's small, toward what you desire most? Love, fulfillment, inner peace don't wait. And the lingering question is, will you act now, or will you let insecurities continue to write your story? It's time to decide. Your transformation is within reach. The choice is yours. Have you ever found yourself staring at his message, feeling a mix of hope and uncertainty? Your heart races. What does he really want? What do you truly want? Sometimes, life presents us with people who seem to be there for a greater purpose, as if the universe conspired for your paths to cross. But are you truly paying attention to that? The signs are subtle, almost like a whisper in the wind. A song that plays at just the right moment, a coincidence that feels like more than just luck. Angels manifest in the little things, revealing truths we often ignore. You may feel an energy around you when he's near, a warmth that touches your soul. This isn't just attraction, it's a deep spiritual connection, a reminder that love is a powerful and transformative force. However, amidst this cosmic dance, doubts arise. You find yourself asking, what if this isn't real? What if I'm just fooling myself? Fears start to haunt your mind. The fear of opening up, of being exposed, of being vulnerable. What will happen if you let go and he doesn't reciprocate? These questions can create invisible barriers, blocking the possibility of true love. But what if I told you that this is your chance to discover something incredible? What if the angels are trying to show you that this special man is not just a coincidence, but a unique opportunity for growth and love? Think about it. Every word, every gesture from him could be filled with meaning. What you haven't realized until now may hold the key to a new phase of your life. He might be the mirror reflecting your own insecurities, yes, but he is also the channel for the healing and transformation you've been searching for. So the question hanging in the air is, are you ready to take action? To open your heart and allow yourself to feel? Love doesn't wait. It presents itself, but it's up to you to seize it. The big question is, will you let this opportunity slip away, or will you take the first step? The choice is yours, and the moment is now. Don't spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been. Transformation begins when you decide to believe and allow yourself to experience this journey. Have you ever caught yourself looking up at the sky, hoping that an answer will come down in the form of light? On darker days, when uncertainty becomes your most constant companion, It's hard to see beyond the clouds that obscure your vision. The truth is that there's a purpose in every encounter, in every moment that seems mismatched. Have you stopped to think about what the presence of that man in your life truly means? The angels are always around us, whispering in our ears, guiding us with subtle signs. They speak through coincidences, inexplicable feelings, and even revealing dreams. Every time you feel a shiver when you think of him or when something reminds you of shared moments, it's a sign. An invitation to open your eyes and your heart. Your angels want you to see the truth that is right in front of you. But what happens when that truth is overshadowed by fear? Internal conflicts can be devastating. You might find yourself asking, what if this isn't real? What if I'm just creating illusions? Fears of rejection, failure, and opening up to the unknown can feel like insurmountable barriers. You may be so focused on your doubts that you can't see the love being offered to you. That special connection, which could blossom into something meaningful, gets lost in the shadows of uncertainty. But what if I told you that your angels are shouting for you to pay attention? What if the real question isn't about the validity of what you feel, but about what you're willing to do with it? The revelation may be painful, but it is liberating. Fear is not a sign of weakness, it is an invitation to courage. The courage to allow yourself to feel, to risk loving, to live fully. Now, look within yourself. What do you truly desire? Love doesn't wait. It's a force that manifests in the most unexpected moments. You may hesitate, but life doesn't stop. The big question is, will you act now or spend the rest of your days wondering what could have been? The power to change your story is in your hands. It's time to choose, to remain in the comfort of your doubts or to take the leap necessary to embrace what the universe is offering you. The decision is yours. Have you stopped to notice the small miracles happening around you? The unexpected sparkle of a star on a quiet night, the gentle breeze caressing your face, as if it's a whisper from the universe. What if I told you that each of those moments is a sign, a silent message from the angels, trying to guide you on your journey? The truth is that these signs are always present, waiting for you to open your eyes and your heart to them. Angels communicate in subtle ways, sometimes through repeating numbers, vivid dreams, or even the synchronicity of unexpected encounters. Each of these signs holds a deep meaning, revealing hidden truths about your life and your choices. Have you ever wondered what these signs are trying to tell you? Every step you take is accompanied by a loving presence that wishes for you to find your way. But for that, you need to believe and be willing to listen. Sometimes, life feels like a maze, filled with doubts and insecurities. You may feel lost, questioning your decisions, your ability to love and be loved. Fears pile up, creating barriers between you and your dreams. What happens if you fail? What if you never find what you truly desire? These thoughts can be like shadows, obscuring the light that the angels are trying to show you. But what if I told you that these uncertainties are just illusions created by your mind? Imagine a moment of revelation where everything becomes clear. What if, instead of letting fear take over, you chose to trust the signs around you? What would happen if you decided that every message is an invitation to take action, a call to embrace life fully? The angels are not just showing you the way, they are giving you the opportunity to change your story. And in doing so, you will discover that transformation begins within you. Now, I challenge you to look within. What do you truly desire? What are you waiting to manifest in your life? Love doesn't wait for anyone. The signs are all around you, waiting for you to recognize them. The big question is, will you act now, opening yourself to what the universe has to offer, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? The choice is yours. It's time to believe, to allow yourself, and to move forward. The path is illuminated. Are you ready to take the next step? Have you ever looked into a mirror, reflecting not just your image, but also your choices, doubts, and deepest desires? Sometimes, life presents us with enigmatic figures, people who seem to appear out of nowhere and simultaneously bring a weight of significance. Have you ever thought that this presence could be a gift from above? The signs of angels are subtle yet powerful. They manifest in small things: a song that plays at just the right moment, a glance that cuts through a crowd, a vivid dream that lingers in your mind. These moments are invitations for reflection, for a deeper connection with what truly matters. Angels are always around you, guiding your path, but it's up to you to open your eyes and perceive the truth being revealed. However, it's natural to feel lost. Life is a maze of emotions, and fear often holds us back from moving forward. You might find yourself wondering, am I ready to embrace this connection? Or perhaps, what if I get hurt? These questions echo a vulnerability we all carry. What you fear might just be what you desire most. You feel the call, but you hesitate to take the next step. Now, imagine a new perspective that could change everything. What if I told you that this person who entered your life is not just a coincidence, but an answer to an unspoken prayer? Angels often bring people to challenge us, to teach us how to love and allow ourselves to be loved. The true revelation is that by opening up to this connection, you are not just surrendering to another human being, but also to yourself. It's an invitation to break free from the chains of fear and embrace the light that this relationship can bring. So, what are you going to do now? Love doesn't wait. It's an opportunity that passes quickly, and the big question is, are you ready to change your perspective? Will you open your heart and allow this connection to blossom? Or will you let doubt and fear decide your fate? The time to act is now. Look within yourself and make the decision that could transform your life. The choice is yours, and the angels are waiting, ready to celebrate your courage.